Okay guys, today we are making the adjustment screws for the LPR in my pneumatic assist kits. Now what we actually use to adjust the LPRs is a set screw, just a 1032 set screw, and it has a vent down the middle. And you can buy these. The part number shown in the manual that I send with the kits, but they are a little bit too expensive for my liking buying them in bulk. So what I am doing is taking some of these brass set screws and venting them, basically. So I'm just drilling a wee little tiny hole down through the center of each of these. And I don't know if you're... There's the drill bit. It's less than a 1/16 of an inch, and we're going to go ahead and drill 2 of them. And that's it, 2 of them done. Now we just release the soft jaws here, and we can pull these out of the little pockets. A little bit more. And put the next set in. And then away we go. So there's one. Usually a little bit quicker when I don't have the camera in my hand. Get those 2 in there, and I'll put a little bit of oil on them, and away we'll go. Alright, thanks for watching.